Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where your MacBook Neo is running very slow, and you might be trying to figure out what exactly is going on. Now, the MacBook Neo is a very good priced MacBook, right? It's giving you a good MacBook capability. It looks very good. Not too many issues with it for the most part from like a build quality or anything else perspective for the price. But keep in mind, it is already a pretty slow device when you already buy it. Now, it's good. You're getting the A18 Pro chipset and 8 gigs of RAM, but you cannot treat this thing like it's a multiple $1,000 MacBook Pro. Like, this is not a very, very powerful MacBook to begin with. So that is probably going to be one of the issues you're probably going to run into just from that side in and of itself. Now, you probably want to see your usage and you want to try to limit your usage on the problems you have now. If you can, I would recommend going to a tool, an app called Activity Monitor. So type into your find search bar at the top and just type in, Activity Monitor. And what you're going to want to do is see what applications are taking up the most energy and the most memory. Find those applications and then basically close out and remove out of those applications. If you have like 30 or 40 Google Chrome tabs open, that's going to bog down your machine quite a bit. So that is going to be one of the big issues there. So kind of figure that out. Also, if you're running out of storage all the time, that's also going to be another problem. So go through, kind of remove as much storage as you can, especially if you have that 256 gig model, and try to make sure you have always like 15 to 20 gigabytes saved on your device at that point as well. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.